of Pharmacy. My startup works on nanoparticulate-based antibody drug conjugate for the targeted lung cancers. My startup incubated at Gujarat Technology University Innovation and Startup Center, Vadodara. My startup works on nanoparticulate-based antibody drug conjugates. Available treatment for the non-small cell lung cancer is surgery, radiations, and chemotherapy. The major drawback associated with the conventional dosage form is they target the cancerous cell as well as healthy cells. So these concerns move away from this conventional dosage form and to identify a new way to tackle with the cancer treatment. It's targeted based delivery of the cytotoxic payload. So my research work is based on target based delivery of the cytotoxic payload. It's a nanoparticulate based antibody drug conjugation for the targeted lung cancers. First, I will formulate nanoparticle of the cytotoxic drug selected from the tyrosine kinase inhibitor, which is further conjugated to the monoclonal antibody by stable non-cleavable linker technology. The monoclonal antibody selected from the monoclonal antibody which targeted towards the receptor which is highly expressed in the lung cancer cells. It further involves extracellular receptor kinase inhibition activity and inhibition of the proliferation of the lung cancer cells. So the whole nanoparticulate based antibody drug conjugates administered by intravenously, it reaches to the predetermined targeted antigen, and after getting contact with the antigen, there is a formation of the antigen antibody complex. So the whole ADCs, it's a nanoparticulate based antibody drug conjugates. It diffuse to the lung cancer cells by endocytosis process and further followed by the lysosomal degradation of the whole ADCs and release of the drug inside the lung cancer cells, and finally the microtubule destructions and death of the cancer cells occur. So the ADCs reduce the toxicity, improve the pharmacokinetic exposure, and facilitate the entry of the impermeable cytotoxic molecule to the target cells. The approachable solution is to develop a stable nanoparticulate based antibody drug conjugate for targeted lung cancer, in vitro cell line study, and preclinical studies. Work already we have done is we have already performed analytical method development by HPLC and UV method for our cytotoxic drug, and pre-formulation study, specifically solubility study of our cytotoxic drug in different solvent. The major achievement is I have already filed provisional patent application. It's a